bunnies. Cross over and go down to the river.
Yeah.
Do you know what bunny boots are?
Yes. Here at the Yukon Golf, here at Fairbanks, Alaska, it's -31. I'm kind of cold.
Right.
Got Megan and Luke and Megan and Luke and puppies. It's amazing. As zoomed in as I get. I'm hoping that my hand doesn't freeze before this game starts. It'll actually be a little while before it.
They've counted a couple off.
Man, I wish my dad had a big neon sign saying Tom Malone is here.
Why my parents wear neon green so often.
There are a lot of dogs here. I'm not kidding. Good Lord. My fingers are freezing slowly.
Look to your left, little crazy girl. Right to your left. Other left. There you go.
Oh, Lord. They have no gloves on. That's the problem. Yeah, people are all over here. Puppies, puppies. There you go. Waiting. I hope they have a faster countdown than I think they have. Okay, there's one getting ready to go. I can't see where else they are. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! There they go. Woo! Yeah! Check that shit out. There they go. They're still going. It's so balling. Now they're gonna move this team up. Let's go down by the river. There they go. Okay, hang on.
Come on.
Okay.
Stop the camera.